look at this. That is an impressive bit of kit. We saw the journey of carbon fibre coming as a sheet through to the finished article, ready to go in the autoclave. Well, we're here now at one of the autoclaves. Tell us a bit about it.
An autoclave is basically just a big pressure cooker. It goes up to 250 degrees centigrade and it can be pressurized up to 10 bar. So all that is just to improve the performance of the part itself. The suppliers of the material give us basically a recipe of how to cure that resin. If we don't follow it, then the resin itself can deteriorate, and that means that we have an ill-performing part at the track. So when we place a part in, we have to hook it up to a vac line that will draw out any air that might have been left in there, and we are regulating that whole part to make sure that it's up to temp before it can proceed with the actual cure. The highest risk is overexposure, so if we've heated it for too long or too high, and as a result, it'll actually fail much quicker. So from here, the bag and everything will be stripped off. The component will be removed from the mould, and then it will be passed a composite fitting into its final assembly.
Comparing this process to Formula One, say from the 1980s, for example, how would that differ compared to where we are today?
Back in the 80s, it would have been same sort of components, but the dry fibre would have been placed into the mould and the resin would have been literally painted on. So you've got no control over how much resin you're actually putting through. Over the years, we've developed this more controlled technique, and not only that, we've got a huge reduction in weight. With reduction in weight comes track performance.
Gotcha, that's what it's all about, that track performance. It's been an absolute journey. Thank you so much for your explanation, and it all makes so much more sense now to me. So yeah, I think next time we see a part getting damaged on the car, we can all wince in appreciation and empathy.
You'll know how we feel.
Exactly, yeah. Thanks.
Awesome.